the fourth edition, and we are part of the, every year we have a booth for the League of Arab States. In fact, every edition we find that Chinese part never neglect any part of technology or any part of development, always produced here, and everybody can find their ways easily through this exchange.
There's two main reasons why China attracts foreign companies. One is the size of the market, so as a final market to sell products, and the other one is the supply chain capacity. You know, all the industries, you cover all the industries, and also in some of the industries you even cover all the supply chain. AI is a tool, but the people are still the most important. So I believe this is the reason why we are here. We want the Portuguese companies to meet the Chinese companies, to network, to establish relationships,